All right, guys, so I scrolled through the internet and I found a storage unit for sale. Someone had abandoned, and the only picture we saw was of this little, looks like a piece of a turbo on the back, right? So we're here, finally gonna see it in person. We saw it was a little bit yellow. What do we got here today? That looks like a big Caterpillar engine to me, guys. This is all we saw, was it covered up that. Now, I don't know what it is. Let's find out. Oh my gosh, I think we've got us a new C15 Cat. Look at that. C15 Caterpillar stuck in a storage locker, 400 bucks. What an absolute find, guys. A 6NZ Cat C15. What? Is that paperwork? Dude. Is this rebuild paperwork?